वेलकम टू माय चैनल ज्योतिष ज्ञान। আমি অ্যাস্ট্রোলজার তপরাজ রয়।
ज्योतिष ज्ञान की तरफ से ज्योतिषी तपोराज रॉय क्या क्या रत्न क्रिस्टल जिसको जो चाहिए परफेक्ट वही देते हैं। परफेक्ट विश्लेषण करके भविष्यवाणियां के दौरान जन्म कुंडली के हिसाब से बहुत सारे अनुरोध के बाद इस वीडियो में ये शीर्ष रहस्य प्रकट होने जा रहा है। चलो फिर शुरू करें।
Scepter enhances leadership qualities. Agate promotes balance and stability. Ajoite facilitates emotional healing. Amazonite supports communication and truth. Amber encourages warmth and vitality. Amethyst promotes spiritual growth and clarity. Amphibole quartz aids in connecting with spiritual guides. Apatite enhances motivation and creativity. Apophyllite promotes inner peace and intuition. Aquamarine encourages calm and self-expression. Aragonite grounds and stabilizes energies. Aura quartzes uplifts and cleanses energy fields. Aurora quartz amplifies healing and transformation. Anandalite expands consciousness and awareness. Aventurine attracts abundance and prosperity. Azeztulite elevates spiritual consciousness. Banded agate enhances focus and concentration. Beryl supports emotional balance and courage. Black tourmaline shields against negative energies. Bloodstone boosts vitality and courage. Blue lace agate facilitates peaceful communication. Blue moonstone enhances intuition and inner growth. Brandenburg promotes harmony and balance. Bronzite encourages self-confidence and protection. Carnelian boosts motivation and creativity. Cathedral quartz aids in deep meditation. Celestite facilitates communication with angels. Chlorite quartz cleanses and rejuvenates the aura. Chrysocolla promotes emotional healing and empathy. Citrine attracts abundance and joy. Danburite facilitates deep spiritual awakening. Diamond enhances clarity and amplifies energies. Dumortierite boosts intellectual abilities. Celestial quartz accelerates personal transformation. Emerald encourages love, compassion, and abundance. Flint provides protection and grounding. Fluorite enhances mental clarity and focus. Fire and ice, rainbow quartz, balances emotions. Garnet ignites passion and revitalizes energy. Granite strengthens determination and perseverance. Hanksite aids in spiritual growth and communication. Healer's gold promotes physical and emotional healing. Hematite grounds and protects against negativity. Herkimer diamond enhances psychic abilities. Idocrase Vesuvianite supports self-discovery. Iolite stimulates intuition and self-expression. Jade encourages harmony and prosperity. Jasper enhances strength and stability. Kunzite Spodumene opens the heart to love. Labradorite boosts intuition and inner strength. Lapis lazuli promotes wisdom and self-awareness. Lemurian seed connects to ancient wisdom and guides. Malachite facilitates transformation and growth. Menelite enhances inner peace and meditation. Merlinite aids in past life exploration. Moldavite accelerates spiritual evolution. Morganite, pink beryl, encourages love and compassion. Moss agate connects to nature and balances emotions. Naturalite and scolasite enhance spiritual communication. Nirvana quartz facilitates deep meditation. Novaculite promotes mental clarity and focus. Numit offers protection and grounding. Obsidian shields against negative energies. Opal enhances creativity and emotional healing. Orange kyanite boosts creativity and self-expression. Paraiba tourmaline aligns with higher vibrations. Peridot chrysolite attracts abundance and positivity. Petalite aids in connecting to higher realms. Petrified wood encourages patience and grounding. Septarian enhances confidence and inner strength. Serpentine promotes healing and transformation. Shiva lingam represents divine energy and balance. Shungite shields against electromagnetic fields. Smoky quartz grounds and removes negativity. Spirit quartz facilitates harmony and group dynamics. Stibnite enhances transformation and change. Sugilite, luvulite promotes spiritual awakening. Sunstone encourages optimism and vitality. Tanzanite, lavender blue zoisite, awakens intuition. Tiger's eye boosts confidence and motivation. Topaz enhances mental clarity and communication. Trigonic quartz aids in personal growth. Tugtupite promotes love and compassion. Turquoise encourages inner peace and protection. Zincite boosts energy and manifestation abilities. Quartz crystal amplifies energy and intentions. Jet provides protection and grounding. Phenacite in red feldspar enhances psychic abilities. Poppy jasper energizes and motivates. Perselli bluestone connects to ancient wisdom. Quantum quattro balances emotions and energy. Quesera, lanite, lanoite offers deep transformation. Rhodochrosite encourages love and self-acceptance. Rhodonite promotes compassion and emotional healing. Rose quartz enhances love, self-love, and harmony. Ruby and zoisite, aniolite, boosts vitality and passion. Rutilated quartz amplifies intentions and clarity. Sapphire enhances wisdom and intuition. Satyaloka and Satyamani quartz connects to higher realms. Selenite clears and purifies energy fields. Edgerine provides protection and grounding. Auget agate enhances inner strength and balance.
ये आज के कार्यक्रम का अंत है। अगले कार्यक्रम में हम और भी कई महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर चर्चा करेंगे। धन्यवाद। चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।